Most people don't stay broke because they're lazy. They stay broke because no one really taught them how money works. Today, I'm breaking down 5 common habits I learned that quietly keep people stuck and how you can avoid them. Habit number 1, spending to impress. Trying to look rich is single handedly the fastest way to stay broke. If your money is going towards image and not assets, then you're playing the wrong game. Always remember this: wealth is quiet, and debt is the loudest. And yes, you will be able to have some fun here and there, but never at the expense of your future. Habit number 2, avoiding budgeting. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear. Most broke people don't track their spending, and then they wonder where their paycheck went. Instead of doing that, start tracking everything on a spreadsheet or whatever software you prefer and become fully aware of every dollar that either enters or exits your bank account. Habit number 3, not investing early. Here's the truth: you don't need a lot of money to start investing, you need time. Waiting until you make more is how you miss the magic of compounding. Remember, $100 invested today beats $1,000 invested later. Habit 4, lifestyle creep. You get a raise and you spend more. That's what lifestyle creep is. Your income grows, but your expenses grow faster. Smart wealth builders increase investments as income goes up, not just lifestyle. And habit number 5, ignoring financial education. Money does not come with a manual, but books, podcasts, and videos just like this one, that is the manual. The less you know about money, the more likely it is to control you. The key isn't to work harder, it's to break habits that keep you stuck. So start small and pick one habit to change this week. If this video helps you now or in the future, please consider liking this video and subscribing. And drop a comment. Which money habit are you breaking first? Like always, stay blessed.